Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home and enjoying good health. Students, today I welcome you all in SST class of 1st standard. Students, do you like festivals? I hope you all enjoy festivals with great pomp and show. So today our topic is festivals we celebrate, under which I will discuss religious festivals and national festivals. I will also discuss how, when, where, why do people celebrate various festivals and whom they worship. And after completing this chapter, we will be able to know the various important festivals and their importance. So students, before starting this chapter, we will discuss keywords. First is festivals, a time to have fun. Second is religious festivals, festivals which are celebrated by the people of different religions. Examples are Diwali, Eid, Holi, etc. Third is national festivals, festivals which are celebrated by the whole nation. Examples are Republic Day, Independence Day, etc. Now students, kindly open page number 58 of your social studies book. Here is the chapter number 13, festivals we celebrate. So let's start reading. We celebrate festivals and national days. Students, India is a land of fairs and festivals. In our country, we celebrate many religious and national festivals like Holi, Diwali, Republic Day, Christmas, etc. A festival is a time when we celebrate something special together. Students, underline the word together and write its meaning jointly. Jointly, jointly. We wear new clothes. We meet each other and exchange sweets and gifts too. Students, underline the word exchange and write its meaning interchange. INTERCHANGE, interchange. Students, festivals are the celebration of togetherness in our country. New clothes are worn by everyone. Sweets and gifts are distributed among friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. Many festivals are celebrated in different states of India. They are called regional or religious festivals. Students, in our country, people of each state celebrate their own festivals like Lohri in Punjab, Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra, Durga Puja in West Bengal, etc. Today we will learn about Diwali. Diwali is a religious festival. It is celebrated by the whole country, but it is mainly celebrated by Hindus and Sikhs. Hindus celebrate it as Lord Ram came to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. And Sikhs call it Bandi Chhod Divas, as 6th Guru Sri Guru Har Gobind Ji along with 52 other princes were released from prison. Diwali is celebrated in the month of October or November. At night, people light diyas and burn crackers. Hindus worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh on this day. People eat sweets and dry fruits on this occasion. Diwali of Golden Temple is famous all over India. Golden Temple is lighted up with candles, diyas, colorful lights, etc. Thousands of paper lanterns can be seen floating in the sky. Diwali is also known as the Festival of Lights. Now students, come to the reading part. Kindly open page number 58. We will start from Diwali. This is Tarun Kapoor. He is celebrating Diwali. His house is painted and decorated with earthen lamps and candles. Students, underline the word earthen lamps and write its meaning mitti ka diya, used for worship. M-I-T-T-I, mitti, K-A-K, D-I-Y-A, diya, U-S-E-D, used, F-O-R, for, W-O-R-S-H-I-P, worship. His mother is making a variety of delicious sweets. Students, underline the word delicious and write its meaning tasty. T-A-S-T-Y, tasty. In the evening, along with his mother and father, he will worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. Students, underline the word worship and write its meaning to honor. T-O-2-H-O-N-O-U-R, honor, to honor. Then students, underline the word wealth and write its meaning riches. R-I-C-H-E-S, riches. Tarun will also burst crackers after the puja. Students, underline the word burst and write its meaning break out. B-R-E-A-K, break, O-U-T, out. They distribute and exchange sweets and gifts to their friends, relatives and neighbors. Diwali is also called the Festival of Lights. Students, this is Tarun Kapoor, who is celebrating Diwali with his family. He is decorating his house with diyas, candles and colorful lamps. His mother is making tasty sweets. And at night, he will worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh with his family. After the puja, Tarun will break out crackers with his family. On this occasion, they exchange gifts and sweets with their friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. Students, now read the fact. In South India, Diwali is celebrated to mark the victory of Lord Krishna over the demon Narkasur. Students, underline the word mark and write its meaning sign. S-I-G-N, sign. Then students, underline the word victory and write its meaning win. W-I-N, win. Then students, underline the word demon and write its meaning devil. D-E-V-I-L, devil. Students, people of South India celebrate Diwali as Lord Krishna killed a devil named Narkasur. This is all for today, students. Today I discussed a religious festival, Diwali, in detail, and I hope it is clear to you. Now your homework for today is to watch this video again, read page number 58 and revise the terms. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.